Welcome to today's SeafoodNews.com video, sponsored by the Alaska Seafood Marketing Institute.
Good morning. It's Monday, August 12th. Tomorrow is the ITC hearing in Washington, the final hearing on the shrimp countervailing duty case. Also, prior to the hearing, the Commerce Department is going to announce their final results for the 7 countries involved. There's a real possibility that 2 or 3 countries could have zero countervailing duty. That would be Ecuador and Indonesia, which received a zero or de minimis duty in the first preliminary finding, and Thailand, which was just barely over the line to get tagged with a 2% duty, and which may successfully negotiate that under the de minimis limit. According to people who are close to the case, if 3 of the countries actually end up having zero duty, it could possibly lead the ITC to reconsider the extent to which injury has really been found in the CVD case. The Commerce Department, when they issued their preliminary findings, found that the other countries, with the exception of Malaysia, were in a 5 to 6% duty range. We don't know if that'll go up or not in the final, but there are a lot of indications that for some of them it might go down. And another thing about the CVD, or the duty, anti-dumping duty, is that Thailand won a small victory this week when the Commerce Department announced that as a result of their annual review of the anti-dumping duties between 2011 and 2012, the Thai duty rate is now going to be set to 0. This means that Thai exporters can request a refund from the U.S. Treasury of bonds that they'd put up, and is a small glimmer of light in which is otherwise a very dark year. We are going to be reporting on this hearing tomorrow, and we hope it's not going to add to the woes in the shrimp market, which is in an unprecedented situation right now. In Lexington, Mass., this is John Sackton.
Today's SeafoodNews.com video was brought to you by the Alaska Seafood Marketing Institute. Alaska has been protecting wild and sustainable seafood for generations and adheres to the most recognized and internationally accepted set of guidelines written by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. For recipes and additional information, visit wildalaskaflavor.com.